Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from a health scare with WebMD step by step clearly. Begin by assessing the situation calmly. Take a deep breath and remind yourself that not all health scares are severe. Open your web browser and type in the URL for WebMD. Once on the home page, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Input your symptoms or health concerns into the search bar. Click the search icon or hit enter to generate results. Review the suggested articles and resources that pertain to your symptoms. Focus on information from reputable sources listed on WebMD to ensure accurate advice. Read the articles thoroughly, paying close attention to warning signs and advice. Look for tips on self-care and lifestyle changes that may improve your condition. If symptoms persist or worsen, take note of recommendations for professional medical help. Consider using this symptom checker tool on WebMD for a more detailed assessment. Input your symptoms into the symptom checker. Follow the prompts to narrow down possible conditions. Review the results carefully and note any suggested actions. If you feel uncertain, write down your questions and concerns. Schedule an appointment with a healthcare professional if needed. Prepare for your appointment by sharing any relevant information from WebMD. Ask your doctor specific questions based on your research. Follow their advice and treatment plan closely for recovery. Continue to monitor your symptoms and maintain open communication with your doctor. Remember, knowledge is a vital tool in managing your health concerns effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.